What is good in the hood, Heat Squad? It's your boy Angel, not your average Joe, back at you with a new video. And guys, today I have something very special for y'all. Today is Project Grail episode 3. That is right, guys. You thought that Project Grail was dead. Well, you are sadly mistaken, my friend. We are still on. And guys, today the trade off is pretty good. I'm actually pretty confident in this. I'm pretty happy. I'm excited. I'm very excited. Now, before we meet up with Chris, which is the guy that I'm going to be doing the trade with, let's do a quick recap. First off, we started off with the Air Force Ones, which I was stuck with for about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, until someone on OfferUp hit me up with a good offer of the Nike SB Dunk Highs Californias. Not gonna lie, I was getting kind of worried. I didn't think I was gonna be able to trade them off until today. Alright, so I just pulled up to the spot. So we agreed to meet up in West Kendall in London Square by the Wells Fargo. Now here's the problem. I told him to meet him over here, but he doesn't know what car I drive and my phone died. So I hope this guy finds me. This guy said he lives 5 minutes away, so hopefully he won't take too long. Oh, I think I found him. Yo, are you the one that's doing the trade with me? Hey, what's Gucci? Hey, thanks for doing this, man. I really do appreciate it. So, here are the shoes. I don't know what you think.
Honestly, I've always wanted these.
Really? Alright guys, so now it's the next day. I'm over at the Adidas Boutique. I wanted to record more yesterday, but the lighting was so bad and it was already dark. And in my opinion, I thought it would have been a lot better to do a video today than do it yesterday. Anyways guys, let me present to you the new shoe. Boom! The Jordan 5 Oreos. Now guys, I thought I was never going to get rid of those California Dunks. It took forever to get someone somewhat interested in those shoes. But overall, I was able to do the trade, so I'm very grateful. Thank you, Chris, for the smooth trade, bro. Now guys, overall, the condition on these shoes, I would have to give it a good 8.5 out of 10. Only reason why is because it has a couple little scrapes up in the toe box, and on top of that, you have some creasing and minor yellowing. But overall, still a good shoe. Now the shoe is valued on StockX for $300, but the condition on the shoes that I currently have right now, I would have to say that the shoe is valued at around 180 to 200 bucks. Now guys, the value of the shoe is my personal opinion. I'm trying to get the top dollar of what I think I can get out of these shoes. And to me personally, I think that I could probably get 180 out of these shoes in trade value. So if you guys want these shoes, all you guys have to do is message me on Instagram at unhypedtypekicks. Alright, so that wraps up today's video of Project Grail episode 3. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please smash that thumbs up button. If you guys didn't, well, please just still like the video. Why are you gonna put a thumbs down? Why are you trying to hurt me? If you are not part of the Heat Squad, join today by subscribing, hit that nice little bell button so you get the nice notification for whenever I post. Guys, we have officially reached 600 plus subscribers. Thank you guys. We are almost to 1,000. Let's get to 1,000, guys. You already know, once we hit 1,000, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, so let's get to it. If you guys want to pick up some fire Heat Squad merch or some fire Chris merch, you guys can check it out over at the Adidas Boutique in stores or online. If you guys come over here to the Adidas Boutique and you guys show that you are part of the Heat Squad, you'll get a nice 10% off your purchase. Also, if you guys can't come over here, don't worry fam, I got you. All you guys gotta do is when you're checking out on the website, go to the coupon section, type in Heat Squad in full caps, and you get the nice 10% off. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Wah!